Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Zoologic Minds. Today we are going to learn about Phylum-Cnidaria. So let's discuss some general characteristics of Phylum-Cnidaria. Cnidarians are aquatic. Most of them are marine, but Hydra also lives in freshwater body form. They exhibit polymorphism. That means they have two body forms. The polyps, which are cylindrical and sessile, the medusae, which are free swimming and umbrella shaped. Symmetry. They show radial symmetry. Germ layers. Cnidarians are diploblastic. That means they have only two germ layers, that is outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. Level of organization. They show tissue level of organization. Body wall. The body wall consists of two layers, the outer epidermis, the inner gastrodermis, and in between epidermis and gastrodermis a non-cellular layer is also present called as mesoglia. Digestive tract. They have incomplete type of digestive tract. That means the mouth and anus have the single opening. They have a gastrovascular cavity. That's why they are also known as coelentrates, because they have a coelentron. Respiration. Respiration occurs through body surface by diffusion, and excretion also occurs through the diffusion through the body surface. The ammonia is the chief excretory waste. Nervous system. They have a primitive form of nervous system. Statocyst is also found in cnidarians, which acts as a balancing organ. Skeleton. Skeleton can be either exoskeleton or endoskeleton, which is made up of horny or calcareous substance. Reproduction. Reproduction is sexual and asexual both, but the asexual reproduction occurs through the budding or regeneration. Development. Development is indirect, which includes the planula larva in Obelia and the planula Scyphistoma and Ephyra larva in Aurelia. The cleavage is holoblastic. Metagenesis. In cnidarians, some organisms like Obelia, the polyp form of Obelia asexually produce medusae, and medusae sexually produce polyps. This type of alternation of asexual and sexual phase in cnidarians is called as metagenesis. Classification of phylum Cnidaria. On the basis of their dominance of polyp or medusoid form, they are generally divided into three classes: the class Hydrozoa, the class Scyphozoa, and the class Anthozoa. Hydrozoas include both polyp and medusae form. For example, Hydra, Obelia, which is commonly known as sea fur, the Physalia, which is commonly known as Portuguese man of war, Porpita, Velala, Millipora, which is known as hydroid coral. The class Scyphozoa includes jellyfishes, which is known as Aurelia in scientific terms. The Scyphozoas are represented by medusae form. The class Anthozoa, they are represented by the polyp form, and the medusae form is totally absent here. For example, Gorgonia, which is also known as sea fan, the Adamsia, which is known as sea anemone, Alcyonium, Fungia, Penatula, which is known as sea pen. This is repeated, I'm sorry. And Meandrina, which is known as brain coral, Madrepora, Tubipora. Tubipora is commonly known as organ pipe. Thanks for watching my video, and in next class we will discuss about the organisms of every class in detail.